How to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. Hey guys! Having trouble posting more than 10 photos on Instagram? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore a few solutions to help you post up to 20 photos like a pro. So let's dive in. First, let's make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open your App Store and check for updates. If an update is available, install it. This new feature might be available in the latest version. If you're still limited to 10 photos, it might be a bug. Go to Settings on your device, scroll down and tap on General. Then select iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down through the apps until you find Instagram. Tap on it. Tap Offload App, and then reinstall. Don't worry, reinstalling won't delete your account data. If these steps don't work, it might be that the 20-photo feature isn't available in your region yet. Instagram often rolls out features gradually. Ensure to keep your app updated regularly to ensure you get the latest features. And that's it. I hope this helps you increase your photo limit on Instagram. If you have any other solutions, or if this feature is already available for you, please share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.